take a look at this absolutely stunning 1954 Olds 98 Starfire convertible. This is a car you don't see every day, that's for sure. There were only 6,800 of these built in 1954, and this one's got to be one of the finer examples out there that still remains. Very, very nice car, but yet it's not so absolutely perfect that you can't hop in it and drive it wherever you want. So this car does run and drive as good as it looks. This car is currently shown the way it was born. Juno gray with Dover white over the top. So this is the original color combination of this particular car. And the paint and the chrome trim and such are in very, very good condition, as you'll see when you look through the still pictures and, of course, while you're watching this video. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, and there you'll see still pictures of the inside, outside, underneath of the car. You'll see that it's a very solid car underneath as well. Watch as I'm walking the reflections. You'll see the paint is very, very smooth. It's not all orange peely or anything like that. Very nice finish on this car. This car came to us just as you see it from a collector, and we're proud to have it here. We'll get a look at the inside here quick. So in true 98 fashion, of course, 98 Starfire was the high-end model for Oldsmobile in 54, and this one's got the goodies to go with it, including the power windows. You can see here they had the 98 inscribed on the door there. All of the windows do work on this car. The power top works as it should. The top has been replaced, of course, and is in very nice shape as well. Again, you can see that in the still photos that we have. Padded dash on this car, and that looks amazing. No cracks, no tears, no fading that I can see. The odometer reads a little over 60,000 miles, and we believe that to be actual, but we'll leave that up to the new owner to ultimately decide. There is an FM modulator in the glove box that the previous owner had installed. Also, previous owner did install seat belts in the car. There's the clock. I'm not sure if it's working or not, but it's all there. Beautiful car, as you can see. Door shut nice. Good body gaps there as well. Just love all the chrome on these cars. These 50s cars are amazing. Take a look at the passenger side here for you. Again, the doors stay open nice. And you'll be able to see in the still pictures, again, how solid this car is. I can show you even under the door there's very solid, very clean. No bubbling or anything like that that I've seen down low on the car anywhere. So should be able to buy with confidence on this one. Obviously, you're certainly welcome to come look at the car in person. We also welcome third-party inspectors if you prefer to go that route. Or you can look at all the pictures and videos and make the call on your own. So I will get the hood open here and we'll get this car fired up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Fires up nice. You can see the oil gauge is setting up right there. Fuel gauge, temp, from what I can tell, all the gauges work. The speedometer does work as well. Let's take a look under the hood. Now this car is powered by the 324 Olds Rocket V8 and automatic transmission. And you can see this car does have power steering as well. Nice and tidy under here. No major, see sometimes cars have all kinds of oil and grease and gunk. hanging out underneath here. As you can see, this car looks very clean under there. Maybe a squeaky belt a little bit you can hear, but that's okay. All right, again, take a look down the body line here, and I'll get to the back so you can hear the exhaust. Nice little rumble, but nothing obnoxious. So again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, trade-ins are considered and financing is available, as well as an extended warranty if you want to protect your purchase after the sale.